Your crawl space is an essential part of your home structure that can be overlooked many times. Stay tuned and I'll tell you how easy taking a look at your crawl space can be. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Have you ever wondered what's in your crawl space? Many homeowners want to know but feel they don't know what they are looking for. In this video, I'll explain what you should look at, what you should look for, and when should you look at your crawl space. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. When you first get in your crawl space, or even before you get in your crawl space, the number one thing to look at is your entry. If your entry is on the outside, make sure it's giving your crawl space good protection. It's sealed up, it's held together well, it's keeping rodents and for the most part moisture out of your crawl space. Now once you get in that crawl space, you really want to look at the floor and the wood structure, making sure that there's no rot or standing water. Now once you're in the crawl space, there's a few things that you want to look at first and that are the most important. Your floor joists, your sill plate, and your main beam. These are the three major structural parts of your subfloor. With any compromise to these, you could start to see cracks and sagging floors above. The second thing that you want to look for is a sump pump. Be sure that if there's water getting in that crawl space, there's some way for it to get out quickly. And if you don't have a sump pump, look for water. See if there's standing water, if there's stains that are on the crawl space wall that shows that there has been standing water in the past. At a minimum, you want to look at your crawl space twice a year. Number one in the spring, number two in the fall. The reason that this is because normally you're closing up your crawl space in the winter. So you're putting up insulation, you're making sure that those pipes don't freeze. Once that weather gets cold, the wind starts blowing. And so in the spring, you want to take a good look at it once you've opened it up. See what it looks like. Has there been damage? Has there been signs of moisture? And then the second time in the fall, right before you're getting ready to close this up, make sure that there's not signs of standing water throughout the year that's occurred down there. Some pumps are working. Biological growth hasn't begun to form on the wood structures. Make sure that you're hitting these checkpoints to be sure that your crawl space is healthy before you close it up in the winter. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your crawl space? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.